How to send videos on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to send videos on Truecaller. First open Truecaller, and after that click on any shot you want here, like this one, and now click this icon here, and that's it. Now just you can take a video from your gallery, or you can just record it. Click video, and that's it. And here you can record it, and now just go back, and I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.